What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. So I have right here the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and I also have the Samsung Galaxy S24. This is a separate unboxing video, so definitely be sure to subscribe, or definitely be sure, if you haven't, subscribe to check that out as well. Super excited to check this out. I've had the S22 Ultra, the S23 Ultra, which in fact is also right here, and I'm going to be comparing the two in a later video in depth, but I also do have some cases right here. I'm going to bring them right up here. First of all, I have the anti-reflecting screen protector. Samsung sent me 4 of these. I have no idea why. I got the S View wallet case, and I also have a silicone case. So again, these are going to be separate videos because I kind of want to go more in detail about Samsung's official cases, but let's put the S23 Ultra aside. I have this here just as a point of reference, just an initial comparison. So this unboxing experience has become definitely easier, but I don't know, it's become kind of less dull these past 4 or 5 years because they keep taking out stuff from the boxes. And come on, like I remember way back with Galaxy S3, Galaxy S4, and I butchered completely. Wow, I had no issues opening the S24 Ultra. Galaxy S3, S4 boxes, man, you had everything in there. You had headphones, you had the charger, you had the wall adapter, you had everything. This is just like, there we go. Ooh, wow. All right, you know what? I'm just gonna peel this off just like this at this point. I'm kind of annoyed. Wow. Okay, so this is the color. This titanium gray is the color that you guys chose. I put up a poll, community poll, or a community post with a poll of which color I should unbox and review on the channel. More than 2,000 votes came to this titanium gray. And then I took this titanium gray and I made another poll with the exclusive colors from Samsung.com, and yet everyone still chose this color. The majority chose this titanium gray. Oh, wow. I can feel the titanium. Oh, this is a premium phone. Just look at that. All right, let's peel this off. Ooh, and the first thing I'm actually curious about is the anti-reflective coating on here. And so far, wow, I mean, I think it's doing a pretty decent job. I'm just gonna bring the S23 Ultra here. Oh, wow, this is hands down so much better. Look at that, look at the difference. That is a huge difference. And for me, like, my lighting and stuff is not the greatest, so like you can see the reflections. So this is definitely going to be helping with videos. Fully flat display, still has the S Pen 5000 milliamp hour battery, IP68 water resistance. Let's see what else is in the box while we're talking about those. A 6.8-inch Quad HD dynamic AMOLED display, 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate display, vision booster, 2600 nits of peak brightness. We're getting the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. It's pretty much quick start guide, SIM ejector tool, and USB-C. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, we're getting 12 gigs of RAM, 256, 512, or 100, 1 terabyte, 1000 gigs. 1 terabyte of storage options. I can't speak today. I'm just super excited. I got so many packages right now. We're getting Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, Android 14 with One UI 6.1, 7 years of software updates. Samsung calls it generational, but software updates. So probably until 2031, we're going to be getting some pretty good software updates with this. We're getting a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 200 megapixel wide camera, and a new 50 megapixel camera that's 5x optical zoom. I believe last year's was a 10x. A 10 megapixel 10x, so it went from a high resolution to a 5x optical zoom. We're gonna test those. We're gonna see how it truly performs, and so far the reviews are positive. A 12 megapixel front camera. It's got 8K recording at 30 frames per second, 4K video recording as well at 120 frames per second. I cannot speak today. 5,000 milliamp hour battery, 45 watt fast charging, wireless charging as well, and a $12.99 starting price. So the pricing did go up when compared to last year, but I will be having deals of the S24 Ultra in the link in the description down below. Definitely be sure to check them out. At the time of this recording, if you do pick one up from Best Buy, they're offering a $150 e-gift card. that is great. But I'm gonna boot this up with this anti-reflective coating display. We're gonna take a look, and I'm gonna share with you guys what first impressions of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. I gotta get used to saying S24 Ultra because for the past year, I've been saying S23 Ultra. So bear with me. I'm gonna get this started up and I will be right back. All right, so we are back with the initial setup of the S24 Ultra. And I gotta tell you this display is phenomenal. No, I'm gonna set up Samsung Wallet later, come on. Later. Can we set up that later? There we go. This display is phenomenal. A full flat display, and I'm just going to bring aside the S23 Ultra for a quick comparison. Look how fingerprinty this device got. Let me just quickly bring this right here to kind of like clean this off. Just like that real quick. So there we go. So I love it. I love this fully flat display on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This titanium build, oh, it feels so much more premium right out of the box. One thing I did notice with the design itself, obviously with the titanium build, flatter edges as well, but also look at the speaker grill. The cutout is a little bit different, but I gotta say, ooh, this color is great. Thank you guys for choosing, for definitely going through the poll and voting your favorite color and the color you guys wanted to see on the channel. I did one for the S24. Marble gray was the one that was chosen. I did one for the OnePlus 12, and also that was chosen for the, I think it was called Emerald Green. So yeah, I mean, your contribution definitely helps with the channel. But here's the thing. If you, with holding the S23 Ultra next to the S24 Ultra, it really is a refinement. It's not a huge jump. It's not a huge improvement where to the fact I think you shouldn't upgrade. But if you were eyeing the S24 Ultra for some time now, or just the Ultra lineup in general, I think now is the time to pick one up. It's going to get 7 years of software updates, and I personally love One UI. Samsung has been doing a great job in the software department too, cleaning things up, pushing out quick software updates. The battery life on the S23 Ultra was phenomenal, so I'm hoping that the battery life on the S24 Ultra is going to be the same, if not better. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. It's got like a 2x larger vapor chamber in here, so we're going to test games out. I'm going to try one of my favorite games I've been playing as of late that I used to play in high school. I stopped playing and now I'm playing again. It's Clash of Clans, and we're gonna put the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 to the test. We're gonna put these cameras to the test, see how they perform, share with you guys my extended thoughts and opinion and experience of this device. But I have been a Samsung device user for as long as I can remember. In fact, my first smartphone was the Samsung Galaxy S Blaze, which was a T-Mobile version of the first Galaxy S. And I've pretty much been following Samsung devices ever since. Yes, there were times I used LG and OnePlus, but I came back to Samsung with the S21, and I actually used that for majority of that year. Switched to the S22, again, used S22 Ultra, used that for majority of the year. And then S23 Ultra, again, that was for majority of 2023. And yes, here and there I did test other devices, but I've always come back to the Ultra. So we're gonna test it out and see if this is the flagship smartphone of 2023 or 2024. I mean, here, bear me out, I'm sorry. I still gotta get used to different numbers, 2024, Galaxy S24 Ultra. But I know it's still January and we got a long way to go, but this is setting the bar pretty high. So we'll see what the competition has later this year. But if you want to stay tuned for all the content, Samsung and everything else in the future, definitely be sure to smash the like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel a lot and will help push my content out to more people. Anyway, that's been it for me. I'll catch you guys in the next episode.